Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to take Unacademy Plus subscription. For that, go to your Play Store or App Store on Apple devices, search for Unacademy and install the app. I know it's an easy process, but we do receive many queries for the same, so that's why we decided to make a video. So once the app is installed, all you need to do is open the app, enter your phone number, your name, your email address, and your state of residence. So I'm just going to choose Maharashtra here. After that, you'll need to enter the OTP which you'll receive on your device. So it may take some time, so you all need to be patient about that. Alright, so once you enter your OTP, you will be redirected to this page, and on this page all you have to do is search for CAPF. So choose CDS/AFCAT/CAPF as your goal and choose your language preference. So I'm just going to choose English over here. Then you will be redirected to the CDS AFCAT CAPF category. And once you start scrolling down, you'll find there are many batches, and particularly for taking Unacademy Plus subscription, go into this tab. You'll find that there are plans for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. That is 6 months, 1 year and 2 years. So view all the plans. So we normally suggest you guys to go for a 1 year plan or a 6 months plan. Alright, and if you enter the referral code, so if you type Prashant YT10, automatically your cost will be reduced. You'll get a 10% discount. Alright, so I'm just going to choose a 6 months plan over here. Again, I need to enter my state of residence, Maharashtra. So for making payment, you can make payment with either of these options. You can use debit card or credit card. You can choose EMIs, because see, the thing with EMIs is not every bank allows EMI on debit card. You can also pay through UPI or any other wallets like Paytm, or there's Airtel Payments Bank or any other wallet, or net banking. So I'm just going to choose debit card here, enter all the details and make your payment for 6 months or whichever subscription you're opting for. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.